Hello, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to Brightside Moments. So this time we are going to show you food again. But there's a specialty. I'm not going to show you just one food item, but I'm going to show you different food items. So you might have already got a hint, right? This place is the one and only food street in Bangalore, in Vishweshwarapura. They call it VB Puram. It's in the heart of the city. I'm going to pin the location in description. Please take a look. So as you see, there's not just one item here. You will find different varieties of food here, like chaat, North Indian, South Indian, and many more. So we are going to pick like 4 to 5 items I'm going to show today. So we are a little careful today to show you some variety food, because you might have already found a lot of channels in YouTube showing and focusing food street. So we are going to show you some items which are not available in other channels. So which will help you to come and directly get into that shop and try that food. So in fact, there's a hotel there's a bakery called VB Bakery in Food Street. So we didn't know about this bakery. So we were watching some another channel and we got to know about this. So it was very easy for us to get inside that and try some signature dishes like honey cake. And what else? There's a burger which is very famous. I don't remember the name. So similarly, if I show you some variety food and the shop names to you, you can come directly here and you can save your time. Instead of going and exploring and finding yourself, you can directly get into that store and try the dishes over there. Please come. So this one is just like pav bhaji. They call it butter dabeli, and this shop's name is Dev Sagar. So when you come here, you should try this one in Dev Sagar. I'm going to taste this. So this is just like pav bhaji, like I told you, but here the bhaji is filled inside the pav. Instead of giving it separately, so they've stuffed it inside it. So let me taste this. This is so yummy. Super tasty. Better than pav bhaji. So they have mainly put some fruits, pomegranate, groundnuts, and I think they have also stuffed some gobi inside this. It's so nice. It's so tasty. This one comes for 70 rupees here. You'll also get other dishes for 30, 20, 50 rupees and all. But this one is 70 rupees and worth it. It's so yummy. Hi Chiki. Hi. Hi. So Chiki is of 8 months old, and she's so fond of food, so she wanted to come along with the owners to VB Puram's food street. So మీ పేరు కృతిక. మీరు ఇక్కడే ఉంటారా పక్కన? మారతల్లి. అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ వస్తారా ఇక్కడ? అప్పుడు
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే వస్తూ ఉంటాను తినడానికి.
ఇక్కడ ఒక్క రోజులో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ అవ్వదు కదా, ఫుల్ అంత చాలా వెరైటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. So Kritika is saying that it's not possible to explore all the food here in just one day. ఒక 1 week అవుతుంది కదా మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయడానికి, ఫుల్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయడానికి.
ఎవ్రీ ఫుడ్ టేస్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్
1 week అవుతుంది. కానీ చాలా ఎకనామికల్ కదా, 20 రూపీస్ 30 రూపీస్కి అన్ని.
సో అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ టేస్టీ ఆల్సో.
ఇట్స్ వెరీ టేస్టీ. యా, we tried butter dabeli అక్కడ in Dev Sagar. So if you'd like to explore Food Street, you'll at least need one entire week to do that. So one day you can pick like 4 to 5 items. Ante kada. Thank you.
అంటే మన టమ్మీ కూడా అంత తినేక
అవును, correct.
5 items you can have it.
Yeah. And best thing is to come along with your friends kada. Like 4 to 5 people. If you come as a gang, you can
You can enjoy it.
yeah. You can explore all the food. Like you can have one piece from all the varieties of food.
Yeah. You can just take one plate and you can just taste it everything.
I think she is a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So the next one we are going to try here is Pani Puri. But this is a specialty. You won't get just one flavor. You'll get 6 flavors here. But you have to stand in queue. Look at the crowd here. There are a lot of people who will come here. So this is the only shop, Sri Berunath is the only shop where you'll get these 6 types of Pani Puri. Usually in all other places you'll get that tikka pani with puri. But here you'll get 6 flavors like garlic, jeera. Let's try it. Yeah. So we are getting ready for the war. We'll get 6 flavors of puri. 6 flavors of puri. Okay. Jeera. This one is garlic. Pudina. So this one is hajma. Hajma is nothing but asafoetida. So this one is lemon. You can actually pick a flavor if you don't want to explore all the 6 flavors here. So if you just like hing, that is hajma, asafoetida, you can just pick hajma and take all the 6 puris. So lemon is a little bitter. This is the normal regular pani puri. Your good name?
Naitika. Bhavna.
Yeah, so this one is inside the charcoal waffle. What is this?
This is black jamun. The black color what you see is a charcoal flavor.
Okay.
And the other one is a jamun flavor.
You don't remember the shop name, right?
It's just over there. Yeah.
So do you come here quite often?
No.
This is our first time.
First time. Did you get to explore everything here, all the flavors? No, right?
It's fun. We see each thing and then we find something nice and we go there.
We just how many items did you have by now?
Right now we covered 3.
3 items. What were they?
One was the baby, one was the pistachio, one was
Dabeli everybody is having, no? That is quite famous here, I believe. It's just like pav bhaji.
To find a good dabeli in South India.
South India, right? And it's what do you like to call it? Pav bhaji or vada pav? Dabeli. It's dabeli. It's a separate. I thought they have made this dish. It's a North Indian dish. It's a different dish. Thank you. So it's black jamun. It's a mix of charcoal and jamun inside charcoal waffle. It's for 50 rupees. You should try this one. I mean, I'm going to have this. It's pretty good for 50 rupees. It's not bad. This is another interesting fruit here. I don't know if it's a fruit or vegetable. He said it's kandmul. I don't know what it is in English. If you know its name in English, please drop it in comments. So let me taste this. It's nice. So it's like cucumber, sweet and salt added to cucumber. That's how it's tasting. But you saw the fruit, right? It's quite huge. It's not tapioca. I thought it's tapioca initially, but tapioca won't be this huge. So I tried googling its name in Google, but I didn't find the name in English. If you know the name, please drop in comments. Yeah, it's good. So there are two flavors you'll get this, either sweet or salt. So I asked for mixed flavor, both sweet and salt, and it's nice. So I still couldn't find its English name. As I told you, I didn't find any peculiar taste about it to tell you. It's not tangy, it's not sour, it's just like cucumber. Applying salt and sugar on top of cucumber and having it, that's the kind of taste I got. So I got that quantity for 30 rupees. I won't say it's worthy, but if you are a kind of person who would like to explore something new, you can try this. So we wanted to know its taste. For 30 rupees, if you think it's worthy enough, you can drop in comments the name of the vegetable if it's rare enough to find. So somebody told me it's a vegetable, it's not a fruit. So if you think it's a rare vegetable and you won't find it in South India, please put it in the comments and let me know your feedback. So this one is curd kodubale. We got this from Pure Nandini Ghee Dosa's store. So it's actually a Karnataka dish. Let me taste this. So it comes with coconut chutney and sambar, I think. I'll tell you how it tastes. It's nice. It's like bhaji, like aloo bhaji. That's the kind of taste I'm getting. So this one is a bit tangy. It's not sambar. I think it's a mix of tamarind, coriander, and all of those spices. It's pretty good, and it comes for 30 rupees. For 30 rupees, it's really nice. So finally I'm going to have fire pan. I'm so excited about it. It's fire on the pan and they'll stuff it inside your mouth. I'm so excited and a little scared about it because I've only seen this in shows and YouTube channels, in other YouTube channels, but I'm going to give a try to this. So let's see. So Bhaiya is telling that it won't, nothing's going to happen to my mouth and it'll be all safe. Let's see. आपका नाम क्या है भैया?
गणेश। हाथ बढ़ाइए, हाथ दिए।
So I hope you enjoyed the virtual feast along with me. So if you're planning to come to Food Street in VV Puram, I would recommend you to come on a weekday, not during weekend. We could barely find space to walk. It's a long lane, and if you go to that far, coming back to your place, wherever you parked your vehicle, it's very difficult. so it's that crowded. So please plan to visit on a weekday along with your friends and family. Do not go alone if you are not a person who would eat a lot, because there are so many dishes here and you regret not having everything if you go alone. So go as a gang, explore everything. Everything here is nice, and so you need to find the ones which will suit your your appetite. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it with others, with other foodie friends of yours, and please leave your comments, your feedbacks here, and don't forget to let me know that vegetables name which I told you before, which I was asking before, and also yeah, that's all for today. Until we meet next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi signing off. Bye bye.